Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to visit my mom. Ralston has been sick for the past week. It hasn't been like a complete week, but he started to get sick Tuesday night and then he was like full blown going through it like Wednesday morning. So he's been staying at his mom's house to try to recover and not get us sick. We have been, you know, so low hanging the past few days, so I want to get out and do stuff today. So we're gonna go see my mom and my sister and my nephew and hang out with them. Cheers, sis. And I'll text it. There's no doubt about it. You with your cousin? And your auntie? You want to give him a kiss?
Oh, but Mimi can't have a kiss.
Right. You over him? So we've been chilling all day. We went to Gino's. I didn't vlog it. I don't know why. And then I'll insert some footage of us driving around where the tornado hit. And we're gonna make some palomas. So let's pull up the recipe I found. But like, look, so I put all of my, what these things called over here?
Leaves.
That's not the word, but yeah. The like, whatever, leaves. And then these are like the most used. And then back here, look at all my spice, all my like.
Frank's red hot, girl. That's what's up.
All my like hot stuff. And then back here, I don't use much like sesame seed, Italian. I got smoked paprika. I got regular paprika, ground cumin, coriander. Around this edge, you can see. Now this is gonna be fire. Cheers.
Hold on. You been sipping on yours?
No.
Well, I got more and you got less. You want to argue about that? I can't get past this. The salt.
With sour. That's good.
Me and Precious just looking like.
You a Thanksgiving turkey?
We want to do TikTok dances, but we're not on we got a TikTok.
What?
But we're not on TikTok. We're not gonna post this to TikTok. So, we're about to do them. We need to
You
do
know how to
that.
shoot? Shoot. I'm sure that's not it, but because of you.
Do you know how?
Hell no.
Why did we get? What? I blame Teresa. Why we don't know how to do these things? Can the past 2 weeks be any crazier? Seriously doubt it. I haven't put up a vlog in almost like 3 weeks. I'm praying this one will go out on Monday the 16th. The whole coronavirus apocalypse is going on and we're trying to learn how to navigate that. Last night we went to Whole Foods to get some groceries. And then today we ventured out to the Dollar General, which didn't have much. And the boys are taking a nap right now. By boys, I mean Rostin and Preston. It was Rostin's dad's big 60th birthday a few days ago. Well, I'm getting ready to go to his birthday dinner. To you, happy birthday.